Hello everyone and welcome. I have a wonderful ribbon wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a beautiful Christmas ribbon wreath. Let me show you how to make it. For today's project, you're going to need a 14-inch wire wreath form. This happens to be silver, but you can use whatever color you have. You're also going to need a package of pipe cleaners cut in half, and a good selection of ribbon. Now I picked this ribbon up. I got 6 rolls of the black and red check with a silver design on it. Each design on the roll is different. And these are 2.5 inches at 10 yards per roll. I happened to pick this up at falling prices and I got all of them for $4. So this is a really good deal. Another way to go with this ribbon is to pick up a roll from Costco. You can get 50 yards of 2.5-inch ribbon for, I believe it was $7.99 a roll plus tax. So I have 5 of the 6 rolls. This one, each of them has a different beautiful silver pattern on it. I like this one with the polka dots. You want to cut your ribbon into strips at 8 inches and you will need 24 pieces of each ribbon. I have my ribbon cut at 8 inches and my pipe cleaners are cut in half. I'm going to be using my bow dabra. My hands are bothering me today with arthritis and I can't really hold on to much. And now each bundle is going to have one of each of the ribbons. But as you put them in, you want to just kind of mix them up so that no two are the same. And I just find the center and pinch. You can either hold it in your hand, use a clip or a bow maker. Just do that to each piece. And then as I add it, I kind of try to make room for each of them. But I actually like this ribbon. It's a little much just for one project, but to pull it all together like this, I think is going to be really pretty on the finished product. Get a good pinch, wrap your pipe cleaner on there. I always like to pull everything down so I can get a good grip. Pinch right at the base and twist. And then before I attach it to my wreath form, I like to do a little bit of adjusting. Make sure that the side that has the glitter is facing up. I like to lift them up and then kind of bend the ends so that they are folded outward. I can do my final adjusting once I get it in or on the wreath. But I just want to make sure everything's facing the way it is. It's easier to do some major adjusting when it's here in my hand. Okay, so that's what your bundle will look like. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Now how we're going to be attaching our bundles is you want to place one on each of the crossbars on the 2 bars on the outside, and then you also want to place one in the center. And then on the 2 bars on the inside, you're going to place one in between each of those bundles. So here you can see I have one on this crossbar, one on this crossbar, and one in the center. And then I have one bundle on the 2 bars on the inner side in between. You're going to do that to each section. So here I'm working on my second section. I have one on the crossbar, I have one in the center, So this one I'm going to place on my crossbar. And the reason why I like to attach them directly to the crossbar is that way I know those are not going to move on me. It helps to keep everything in place so that you do not see your wreath form underneath your ribbon. And then I always like to push my pipe cleaners forward. Keeps the back looking nice and clean. Okay, so I have the 3 on the outside. Now I need to put 2 on the inside, and it'll be nice and full like this side is. You want to do that to each section. And it should take you a total of 50 yards of ribbon. If you're using Dollar Tree ribbon, that would be 10 rolls of ribbon. I have my base complete and I'm very happy. Nice and thick and full. It's so pretty. Very, very nice. Now, of course, you can leave it this way, but there is one more thing that I would like to add. And that is one of these silver reindeer that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. Now, they've carried these for many, many years. You can get them in silver, gold, and red. I have attached a couple pipe cleaners here on the back so I can attach it to my wreath. You just want to lay it on there, figure out your placement, and see where you need to attach. So I have one here at the back of the legs, one here at the front of the legs, and one up here at the head. Now to get this attached, you just feed your pipe cleaners through your ribbon and attach it to the wire frame in the back. I have my sign attached and it's not going to go anywhere, and I attached it very loosely, just enough so that it would sit right up on top of all my ribbon. Oh, I'm so happy with the end result. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And this wreath is so large and fluffy. What a beautiful way to welcome your guest this holiday season. I did want to let you know that the ribbon that I used, there's no name brand on it. It just says Merry Christmas and then Christmas Ribbon. But I do like it. It was nice and thick, and it is 2.5 inches at 10 yards per roll. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. You have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.